Hello folks, my name's Mark. Welcome to my channel, and I would like to show you today this expandable slat bed that I've been working on. Now, I was complaining about how this trailer worked as far as the bed system, so I decided to change it up, and this is what I ended up with. It's got 1.5-inch slats, and it's built very simply. A ledger board on the wall, a stationary wall, and then a wall that moves. And the wall that moves has slats that are not attached, and they can just slide in and out. I'll show you here in a second. Little bit of build out how I would probably use it if I were to go somewhere tomorrow. Now, I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. Probably be another week, and there's still some other things I want to get done, but that's the bed. And I like it. It's not finished. It's not perfect. You know, it could be better in certain ways, but for now, that's what it is, and I'm really happy with it. I like it a lot better than what I had before. All right, so the rest of this video is going to be just kind of how I got here, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Scrap 2x4s. Now, I had these boards sitting around for a long time, and I just used them to make my platform. You may have to buy some boards. Typically, you'll find, You know, 1x4s are a pretty efficient method. Now I just cut them down to 1 3/4 is what I did. Some scraps down there. Clamps, a square, screws, a hammer, drill bits, a razor knife, a screwdriver, cordless drill, another cordless drill, bits to pre-drill, and a countersink, 1-inch screws, 1 1/4-inch screws, 2-inch screws, pencil, tape measure, hammer. These are the things you need. So I've made a few changes in the little trailer here, and that's what it looks like with my sleeping pad. A single sleeping pad put down. I often use 2. But I just put a little simple wall under there and kind of affixed things so that they'd be sturdy. Let me move this cushion. All right, I've put the cushion up at the front of the trailer there to show, I guess, the screws that are holding it together. So there's, you know, I've been in and out of the trailer a few times, and I think there's plenty of room. This is a 33-inch platform with a 12-inch space, and there's enough room to get the ice chest in and out, but not really enough room to get the ice chest back into that other space. So I have a 1-inch board there and just a little 1/2-inch or 3/8 plywood down here, but it doesn't quite fit through there. And that's okay, I can just put storage tubs up in there. But my issue is that I can't open the ice chest with the bed down, you know. So what I thought I would do is I was going to make this plywood platform movable so that it could slide over and create more space there. And that presents a few problems. Now, a better design, I think, would be to take out the plywood and put in a slat type bed frame that can slide. So you have slats, little 1-inch by 1-inch pieces of wood here, and then a whole nother set of 1-inch by 1-inch pieces of wood alternating, and can slide out and create the bed, and can slide in and have space. Also supported by a wall, much like this one. Now I moved this wall pretty far away from there and kind of far away from here so that I could get the ice chest in and out. If I make this platform a slat and sliding platform, I can have my wall supporting it farther out, I think. You know, it can go so that it's, you know, at least another inch or 1.5 inches over before it gets in the way of the ice chest. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop working on the plywood platform and start working on a slat bed platform. So we'll see how that works. So as a visualization project, this has been great. I like the size, I like the shape. I think it'll work. You know, I laid down in there, and I think it'll be plenty wide and comfortable enough. There's still things I've got to change and move, but I think it'll work. And if I do the slat bed thing, then I could slide this, put my cushions away for the day, and continue to cook here, right? If this is slid this direction, and then I can continue to sit on the ice chest or something, a stool, and cook there. That's the thought anyway. We'll see. So this is where I'm at with this bed. The first thing I did was I beefed up the ledger board on the wall with an additional board that kind of goes underneath it, and it is notched around the original board that I had there. And then I built this wall, and that forms the stationary portion of the bed or shelf. And then I started filling in the slats, alternating them, and I did have to do a little bit of notching around here to get them to sit down so that they will be flush with that area of the plywood there. But just working on getting these installed. I'm going to get all of them installed, and then I'll work on the sliding portion of this bed. So I've finished putting on the slats onto the stationary portion of the bed. I built this frame pretty much the same size as this other frame. It's a little bit shorter because it doesn't go underneath the other part of the platform there. And I've just got it clamped in place. Some clamps. And I've started to put in the slats that will expand. I've got two of them, this one, that one, and I just elected to have them go all the way to the wall, and when I expand it out, it gets plenty big, bigger than I need it, and it should be easy to make it bigger or smaller. And I'll be able to get to the ice chest. I can just move the platform back, get to the ice chest, move the platform back out if I want to, or whatever.